Hi, I'm Ashley from the CIE Technical Team, and today we're going to talk about Akuvox setup and support. Today we're going to be configuring the inputs on an R20K and also an X912. Okay, so we've got our IP scanner and we can see that we have an R20 and an X912. I'm going to go to the local IP address of the R20, which is this one here. Got it behind me. And then log in using my username and password. By default, it's admin, and then you are required to change this once you're logged in. Okay, so here's the home screen. We want to click on Device Management, and then also click on Access Control, and then Input. Once we've clicked on Input, what you'll want to make sure is that the input is enabled, and then also to execute the relay as Relay A or Relay B. Here I've got Input A and Input B, and they are both set to Relay A and also Relay B. Once this is done, click Submit, and then your push to exit button or anything wider than the intercom will trigger the correct relays. Okay, so using the IP scanner, we can see that the X912 is on this IP address here. So if we browse to this IP address and log in using the username and password, again for me, I've changed this, but the default is admin. You'll see here that the interface is slightly different to the R20K, but it is the same principles. So we want to go to Access Control, Input, and then here we want to enable Input A, and then assign that to the relay that we want to. So for my example, Relay A. Again, if you're using more inputs, then you just enable the next input and then assign that to the relay as well. Once you click Submit, that means then that your push to exit button or any device that you wire into the X912 will activate the relay. As easy as that. Just remember, we've also got the Akuvox knowledge database online. If you've got any further questions, comment below or maybe give us a video idea for next time.